This is how to add space in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you can select a project or you can add new. We will add a new project. We'll start with blank project and we will name this add space. Click create. Then we will type some words. Let's say hello world. And if you want to add space, just press your space bar and type the next word. And you can recompile to see the results. You can also use H space command in between hello and world. Say for example, we will remove the space and let's use H space. And in between this parenthesis, you can add metric of length. Say for example, 2 cm. And just click recompile. And you have a distance of 2 centimeters between hello and world. So this is how to add space in Overleaf.